Swansboro Port Realty is your real estate guide to the Crystal Coast and surrounding area. Whether you are selling, buying, or looking for a property management team, Swansboro Port Realty would like to represent your next real estate transaction. Fresh laminat, carpet and paint September 2019. 2-bedroom 1.5-bath townhome in the heart of Swansboro, close to shopping, schools, bays and beaches. Washer and dryer included. Lawn maintenance included. Sliding door off dining area to patio, no screen door included, in backyard facing wooded area. No pets.